In this video, I will show you how you can make a photo collage on any iPad. Now, if you want to merge multiple photos in a single photo, and if you want to make a photo collage, first of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPad. There you can find the Shortcuts app in the app library. Just open the app library and search Shortcut. After that, just open this app on your iPad, then go to the gallery section. Now, if you cannot find this app in the app library, you can download it from the App Store. Now, after you go to the gallery section, then in the search bar, just search this. Over here, you will find the option for photo grid. Now just tap on the plus icon on photo grid. And after you do that, then just go to the all shortcuts section. And as you can see, we have successfully added the photo grid option to the shortcut section. Now just tap on the photo grid shortcut. Now from here, just select the photos with which you want to create a collage. For an example, I will select these photos. Now after you select your preferred photos, then just tap on done. As you can see, we have successfully created a photo collage on our iPad. Now to save it to your iPad, just tap on the share button over here. Now just tap on more. And from here, just select save to files. And after you do that, now just select a folder where you want to save this photo collage. For an example, I will select this folder, then tap on save. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the Files app, as you can see, this is the photo collage which we have created. Now to save this photo to your Photos app, just tap on the share button from here and select save image. Now just select allow. Now after you do that, now if you open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the collage which we have created. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.